That's me, Miss Mini-Me.
Please supervise your children. For any children on here, please supervise your parents for me. Yes, that's right. Now continuing on our journey here, coming up on the right, you will shortly see that Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Right here, famous archaeologist Indiana Jones is currently there searching for the lost treasure, everybody. But you know what, honestly, I have no idea why he's even bothered searching there anymore. Because, I mean, clearly, I'm already standing here. What are you doing, though? What are you doing? I know, right? Oh, wait a second. Okay, nobody make any sense of this now. Turn left here.
Look behind you.
Himalayan tiger. But does anybody know how we can actually tell he is a Himalayan tiger? Well, it's because he lay there all day. Yeah, I know. Did I hear that things can jump up to 30 feet, but let's sleep for us all? Or only 50 feet away, so he'll just be jumping right over us. I know. It's our lucky day. But now everybody get your cameras out because it looks like we have now approached the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephant. So feel free to take as many pictures and videos as you'd like because it does look like they are
more
all
elephants.
wearing their trunks on today. How adorable. Oh, the exit straight up ahead there you'll find Big Bertha taking a shower. Now you can just tell she's been bathing there for way too long. Look at all her beautiful wrinkles. How adorable. So now everybody, let's see if we can say hello to my friends. Word of the head, I guess. We're going to apply two tricks on today. Okay, we're just going to get closer. Oh, I cannot believe my eyes right now. Everybody, it looks like this family of monkeys here have taken over this road. Oh, what a sloppy job of parking, boys. You left the lights on. Really? Really? Now we will never get that car better to turn over. But I guess it's Dr. Famous Jungle Explorer and founder of our Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert. Yeah, but don't worry about that, folks, because
There's a real duck.
We'll go over it later. It looks like we've entered the Nile River, the longest river in the world. In fact, it's true because it goes under Niles and Niles and Niles. Yes, that's right. And if you didn't believe me, well, then you're in denial. Yes, that's right. Turn left there. We'll be right now with our famous African bull elephant. Here to the right is Bobo, and he's very well trained here, actually. Speak, Bobo. And now in French. He said hello to everybody here on the show. So now folks, let's see what we can find here coming up on this river belt. Oh my goodness, everybody, would you all look at this now? It's a pride of lions protecting this sleeping zebra. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Folks, everybody, that is definitely how a zebra sleeps here, okay?
Oh, look at that sleeping zebra. Oh,
and our next by zebra. Okay, you know, we're thinking about so dead, really tired. Dead tired, everybody, so we're going to let him rest. Yeah, I'm going to be careful. We go on moving along. Oh my goodness, Skipper, he's like, okay, this is not quite a fair thing. Everybody, this is Skipper, he's like, it's his first day here on the job, as you can clearly see. Very likely his last now, but I'm always telling him to never get into arguments with the rhinos, because those rhinos, they will always be into our cars. You're gonna, everybody here, cover your ears. I'm gonna try to scare them away. Okay, you know what? Hopefully that sounds really, really scared them off this time because just last week they took off 7 of our boats here in the jungle. Yeah, but luckily for all of you, only like 5 of them are mine, so you're all in good hands. Oh wait, no, you're not. Everybody say your last goodbyes to each other. You know some things I should get off my chest? Something ridiculous that my parents always telling me is that my job looks so easy that monkeys can do it. Would you all just now imagine that? Monkeys in a boat, holding up mic, telling the most ridiculous jokes. I don't know what the big idea you've ever heard in your life. Oh boy, I'm very like that. Monkeys in a boat holding a mic and talking on jokes. Okay, so this is nothing with very but don't tell them jokes on them because those are apes. Yes, those are apes, everybody. And I will tell you all the difference between a monkey and an ape, but I just walked down so much talking and said, oh, and now we're actually going to attention over here to the last. You'll find 2 monkeys and a lot of left side. Because every time they get together, they just keep giving each other butterflies. Adorable, I know, right? But just don't be fooled, everybody, because butterflies are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. But now, folks, it looks like we're now finally approaching the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right, the main attraction, the eighth wonder of the world. Everybody is the backside of water! Everybody, O2H! 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 Okay, we'll get it next time. But you were considered such a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity here to see the backside of water. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime. Once in a lifetime. Oh, wait a second. Last year, we have forced up 24/7 around and around and around. But just kidding. I love it. Don't tell my boss. And actually, look straight up ahead of go find a giant python sitting in that tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. But now be very careful to not get too close to it. Otherwise, he might get a crush on you. And trust me, that is a very constricting relationship. I say this from experience. I do not want any of you wrapped up in that, finally go to the street. If you have any personal belongings, this is why it's strongly remind you to take them with you on your way out here. Otherwise, they will appear at Trader Joe's, also known as our lost and found. And trust me, our monkey do go bananas over our heels here. Yeah, I really don't know why they find it.
See you real soon. Goodbye now. It was nice to see you. Are you still here? Okay, it's time to go now. Man, this is taking a long time. Oh, my poor arm is so tired. Oh, I can barely hold it up. Okay, well, have a good day. Take care now. Goodbye. Goodbye.